What's up explorers, welcome to today's video. Today we are here at Wolwespruit Bike and Trail Park.
We are here to work on our flabbies. We chose to do the 4.5 kilometer hike and let's go.
Wolwespruit is not only a place you can come and work on your flabby, you can also come and feed it at PLTFRM Restaurant.
Wolwespruit is like a little oasis right next to the N1 highway. Click on the link below to check out their times. Check the red face. So it's 40 Rand per person entry fee. Then you get this blue band to show before you choose your hike. It's the lekker.
So nice to just walk along this river that's running here. So tranquil with the water sounds that you can hear the whole time cruising through the bush here. Wolwespruit has quite a lot to offer. There's a clay cafe, a nice bike shop, and a lot of things to do and entertain yourselves and the whole family.
So we're almost done with our hike and it was not that bad.
Yes, Wolwespruit offers activities for all fitness levels, from hiking to mountain biking to trail running. Come and test yourself.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
See you in the next one.
Bye.